Adaptations in the Wide World of Frogs, Lesson 12. Our learning targets today are: I can revise my porpoise tale to correctly use comparative and superlative adverbs. I can read my porpoise tale aloud accurately and with expression. Comparative. What word do you see inside of comparative? What does compare mean? When you compare things, what are you doing? What do you think comparative adverbs might be? Parts of speech. How words are grouped often according to their function. So here are parts of speech. We went over this yesterday. I'll give you a second to read the slide. And now here's a slide with an example. Noun. What is it? A word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. And the example is frog. Pronoun. A word used to replace a noun. Him or her. Verb. A word that describes an action or state of being. Jump. Adjective. A word that describes a noun or pronoun. Green, slimy. Adverb. A word that describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Quickly, slowly, quickest, slowest. Comparative and superlative adverbs. In Visual 1, how could you compare these two frogs using the word slow? Can you think of any others? So maybe slow, slower. About Visual 2 for fast. Fast, faster. 3, speed. Fast, faster, fastest. Maybe this one. Slow, slower, slowest. You can go back and review this chart that we did yesterday on page 37 to look at more of the adverbs. And today with the partner, so if you were not in class today, you will have to do this with someone at home. You're going to read your porpoise tale that was on pages 27 through 32 in your workbook. Okay, and now think, are the comparative and superlative adverbs used accurately in your porpoise tale? Could you add to improve it? Take turns with your partner. It's time for a frog. Today's the day. You have been improving your porpoise tales and practicing your froggiest fluency. Now it's time to share. Okay, our fluent readers, and we've read this many times, so you can go ahead and press pause and read this aloud to yourself. And now we're going to review our checklist that we did yesterday, our reading fluency checklist, and it's found on pages 38 and 39. Remember, how did you think you did? What did you mark up yesterday? Now, thinking back to what you marked up yesterday, I want you to think, what was one area you did very well? And what is one area that you really need to still improve on?